Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. The first step of solving a 2x2 is building the first layer of the cube. Now you can do it on any colour, but in this video I'm going to show you it on white. The way you build the first layer is start by picking any one of these 4 pieces with white. For this video we're going to start with this one, white, orange and green. And you want to hold that on the bottom and make sure solved ones are on the bottom. And then pick a white one in the top layer. We'll go with this green and red one. And then what you want to do is the colour in common between these 2 pieces is the green. So you want to put it next to the green one so it goes in here. And then make sure you're holding the piece you're trying to put in on the right side, and then you're going to want to repeat these 4 moves until it goes in. The 4 moves are up with your right hand, push with your right hand, down with your right hand, push with your left hand. And in that case it just went in one sequence of the 4 moves, but it might take more. And then this one will do, and it's got red on it, which is similar to that red, so we're going to put it there next to it, and then hold it on the right, and then up with right hand, across with right hand, down with right hand, across with left hand. It's not in, so we'll repeat it. Up with right hand, across, down. Sometimes you'll get a case where there's no white pieces left in the top, but the bottom's not solved yet. In that case, what you want to do is just find the one that's not solved, hold it on the right like you normally would, and then just repeat the 4 moves. Up, right, down, left. That brought it out, and it's already where it needs to be, so then just do it again. Up, right, down, left. And just like that, it went in. The next step of solving a 2x2 is doing the last layer. Now, what you want to do is just look around and see how many pieces you have that are in the right spot. So, this one is yellow, orange and green. It's in the right spot, orange and green. This one, blue and orange, not right. Green and red, it's not right. One of them is, but you need both. Blue and red, not right. So we've just got one. Now, if all 4 of them are already in the right spot, you can skip this step and move on to the next bit. And if you've got 2, then you'll need to, like here, we've got red and green and red and blue. There's 2. In this case, you just need to spin the top so that you've only got 1. And now there's only 1. And when you've got 1, you want to hold that on the right side and do this algorithm. Across with your right hand, up with right hand, across with your left hand, up with left hand, across with your right hand, down with right hand, across with your left hand, down with left hand. Now, we skipped the last step. That's just lucky. It won't always happen, but it put all of them in the right spot. For the last step of solving the 2x2, once you've got all of these in the right spot, you want to flip the cube over so that white faces the top, and then just pick one of these that's not solved and hold it in the bottom right, and then repeat the 4 moves from the start. So up, right, down, left, up, right, down, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left. And then go to the next one, but rather than rotating the whole cube, just bring it to you. And go up, right, down, left. And that one went in. Then the next one. And then the last one. And that solved the cube.
Please subscribe and hit the like button down below, as it would support the channel so much. And if you have any questions, criticism, or anything was confusing, put it down in the comments and I'll be sure to reply.